Okay. Oh, by the way, who's that bad guy's boss? Go get the bad guy. Get him. Must get him. Okay, tell us who your boss is. I won't tell you. Yes, you will. Or Super Stinky's gonna fart on you.
In the face. On your nose or the mouth.
My boss is Bowser, and he's on 6th Avenue, the Bowser bad side of the day. Be quiet. I don't want your information, but you just... Horrifying man, is he? Okay.
I got the punk.
You want my technical difficulties? Cause okay. Oh my gosh, that was just amazing.
He's trapped in a small.
Woo! We beat the bad guys. Woo! Sick ass. You're a sucker. Darn it. Okay, bye. Wait, let's go get some other supervillains.